Hey Naturals, and welcome to part 2 of This Is Not Product Buildup. So this is the before I take them down to the bulb to get started. So I'll be using hot water as the main cleansing agent today. Water will be able to get rid of that grime that he has in his hair. It's not products. This is an accumulation of sweat and dead skin scales and sebum. So I'll be using hot water to rid the lock of that and get rid of the berry. As you can see, water was sufficient to be able to get rid of that grime. ACV will not be able to do everything by itself. You will need a loctician who cares. But me and my sister will be doing some extra care here, going in on each lock, and then I will be going in with a very vigorous wash where I'll be squeezing root to tip. Now I'll be squeezing root to tip until that water comes back to me clear. That's when I know I have done my job. Okay, got all of that out. Then I will take him back to the chair with clean hair. I'll style him with some ropes and send him on his merry way. And thank you for watching. Please book with Cure House Naturals.